This tutorial will cover how to use some of the open or free educational resources, or also known as OER material. To view these open sources, scroll down a bit on the library's homepage and then click on the Open Educational Resources link in the Select LibGuides box. We have not listed all of the OER sites, as there are more and more every day. We have listed the ones that are most common and have good material for both faculty and students. Let's start with the OER textbooks. These links are good quality textbooks that students can use to find a similar book or a book that is required for your course. Many faculty are now using OER textbooks. The next box is the OER support materials. These three links are fantastic resources for faculty to find materials such as lesson plans, activities, open courses, or programs. And the third box on this page is the OER videos. Some people do not realize that you can search YouTube for videos that have a Creative Commons license, which are open to use without asking permission. On the next slide, I will be showing you how to search for these videos. YouTube is a great place to find educational material, which most instructors know, and students for that matter as well. You can find open videos by first searching your topic and then clicking on the filter button in the top left. Once that opens, then click on the Creative Commons link that's under Features to find open and free videos that you do not need to ask permission to use. The next thing that I want to talk about and show you how to use is the TED Talks. So to embed the TED Talks videos into your course, all you need to do is click in the shared box that is in the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you click on that, then this dialog box will appear, and then you want to just click on Embed button under the Tools. You can see there are many ways that you can share a TED Talk videos as well. If you are a student or a faculty member, this is really a great learning tool. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the open or free educational resources. If you have any questions, just give us a call or you can chat with us. We are here for you.